In this video, we review Interactive Brokers versus Robinhood. Have you used Interactive Brokers or Robinhood before? What was your experience? Leave your review in the comments section below. Did you know that as of 2023, Interactive Brokers processes an average of 3 million trades per day, making it one of the largest electronic trading platforms in the US? Additionally, Robinhood, since its inception, has attracted over 22 million users, highlighting its popularity among retail investors. Interactive Brokers, established in 1978, is renowned for its comprehensive range of investment options, including stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, and mutual funds. It offers access to numerous global markets, appealing to advanced traders seeking diverse opportunities. The platform provides sophisticated trading tools and competitive margin rates, enhancing its attractiveness to seasoned investors. However, some users have criticized its complex interface, which can be daunting for beginners. Additionally, certain online discussions suggest that Interactive Brokers' customer service may not be as responsive as desired. Robinhood, launched in 2013, revolutionized the brokerage industry by introducing commission-free trades, attracting a younger demographic of investors. Its user-friendly mobile app simplifies the trading process, making it accessible to novices. Robinhood offers fractional share trading, allowing investors to purchase portions of expensive stocks, and has recently introduced cryptocurrency trading. Despite these advantages, Robinhood has faced scrutiny over its payment for order flow practices, which some argue may not always secure the best trade executions for users. Furthermore, the platform has experienced outages during periods of high market volatility, leading to user dissatisfaction. Concerns have also been raised about the limited customer support and the platform's gamified interface, which may encourage risky trading behaviors. In summary, Interactive Brokers caters to advanced traders seeking a wide array of investment options and robust tools, albeit with a steeper learning curve and potential customer service limitations. Robinhood appeals to beginners with its intuitive interface and commission-free trades, but has faced criticisms regarding trade execution quality, platform reliability, and customer support. Prospective investors should carefully assess their individual needs, experience levels, and priorities when choosing between these two platforms.